Welcome to the Living Healthy with COPD YouTube channel. Subscribe to get daily videos. Also hit the notification bell, and if you like the video, hit the like button. We make videos all about what it is like to live with COPD. The topics range from supplements, diet, exercise, spirituality, medications, and overall healthy lifestyle. Enjoy.
With COPD, the less you do, the less you're able to do. Weak muscles need more oxygen, so you can become short of breath just chopping or cooking. Exercise changes that. When your muscles are stronger, daily activities are easier. Number 1, leg extensions. For stronger thighs, sit in a chair that supports your back. Inhale. Now exhale slowly as you stretch one leg as straight as you can, without locking your knee. Breathe in as you slowly lower your foot back to the floor. Do one set with your right leg, then one set with your left. Getting too easy? Add ankle weights. Work up to 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Number 2, exercise your diaphragm. This move strengthens a key breathing muscle, the diaphragm. Lie down with your knees bent or sit in an easy chair, one hand on your chest, one below your rib cage. Slowly inhale through your nose so that your stomach raises one hand. Exhale with pursed lips and tighten your stomach. The hand on your chest should not move. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes, 3 or 4 times a day. Breathing this way will become easy and automatic. Number 3, chair dancing. If you love to dance, try this armchair version in a class or with a DVD at home. Different programs can get your heart pumping, or pump up your muscles, or both, to all kinds of music, from big band to hip hop. Beginners might start with a class to learn the safest ways to swing and bend. Adding hand weights can increase the challenge and your fitness level. Number 4, Tai Chi. Tai Chi, an ancient Chinese practice of gentle, flowing movements, is a winner for people with COPD. It's a mild workout for your heart and lungs and helps tone your muscles. It also eases stress and helps you relax, a special benefit if your COPD makes you anxious or edgy. Look for a class or video to learn the moves. Number 5, stretching. Stretch gently before and after a workout. One stretch to try: put your hands flat on a wall at arm's length and shoulder height. Step forward and bend your right knee. Bend your left knee until you feel a slight stretch in your calf. It shouldn't hurt. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds and repeat with left leg. Continue switching legs for 3 to 5 reps on each leg. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it provided some useful information. Subscribe to Living Healthy with COPD and come back tomorrow for another video. Have a great day and be blessed.